Hi everyone, so welcome back to a new video, and in today's video we are going to talk about 3 ways to replace your missing teeth. So basically there are 3 ways in which you can replace your missing teeth. Number 1 will be a removable partial denture, also known as RPD. Number 2 will be a fixed dental prosthesis, also known as FPD, and number 3 will be a dental implants. So now we know the 3 ways in which we can replace our missing teeth. Now we are going to talk about the pros and cons of all the 3 techniques. So number 1 is a removable partial denture. Talking about the pros of a removable partial denture, it is quite easy to construct and also to modify, and it is comparatively cheaper than the other type of prosthesis. Also, when done properly, it gives a pleasing aesthetics. So talking about the disadvantages of a removable partial denture, it is made up of somewhat weak material and may break on uses. There might be some food accumulation underneath the denture, and it might cause some tissue irritation, and in long-term uses may be uncomfortable. So now let's talk about a fixed dental prosthesis. It is a type of prosthesis in which a missing teeth is replaced by gaining the support of the 2 adjacent teeth. So talking about the pros of a fixed dental prosthesis, it is more economic compared to dental implants. If done properly, it can provide you a beautiful smile, and the another factor is there is no surgical procedure needed. So now let's talk about the disadvantages of a fixed dental prosthesis. So in the process of fabrication of fixed dental prosthesis, there will be a loss of healthy tooth enamel. The bone loss will continue to occur, and it will be not as lasting as dental implants. So now let's come to our third point, that is a dental implant. So dental implant is a type of prosthesis in which an implant is placed in the bone, and once the osseointegration process is complete, a crown is placed on top of it. So talking about the advantages of dental implants, it is a long-lasting prosthesis and gives a feel like a natural tooth. So most importantly, in the process of placing dental implants, there won't be any harm to our natural teeth, and it provides a good aesthetics and function as well. So now let's talk about some of the cons of dental implants. During the placement of dental implants, a minor surgical procedure is needed, and it is quite time-consuming procedure, and also looking at the cost factor, it is quite expensive compared to other form of dental prosthesis. So now we know all 3 types of dental prosthesis, but now the question may arise, which one should I go for? So to choose the best treatment option for you, your dentist is going to help you through the process. Once you go to the dentist and share your problem with him, then the dentist is going to examine your case and make a proper treatment plan. There are certain factors and certain criteria which need to be followed, and once a proper diagnosis is done, a treatment plan can be made. But yes, if everything goes well, then the best treatment choice would be a dental implants, because it has got many more advantages compared to other form of dental prosthesis. So this was all about the 3 ways in which you can replace your missing teeth. So I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you really did so, then please do hit the like button and do subscribe to the channel. Leave your thoughts in the comment box below, and yes, see you all in my next video. Thank you.